Never try to blow out someone else's candle to try to make yours shine brighter. Never do that to make yourself feel great. It's delusional. Do not do things at others' expense like that. So many people get their worth at others' expense like that. It's actually incredibly commonplace. Ask yourself why you feel the need to do that. To be a parasite. That's the nature of a parasite. A host. They probably don't know. They're doing it, such as the aim of denial. Denial is a thing that is wanted to be unconscious of for it to work.